Setting up Pairoa takes one copy and one paste. Here's the whole thing, start to finish. Step 1. Go to Pairoa.com and click Install MCP. This box holds a message written for your AI. It tells it exactly how to install Pairoa. Click Copy. That's the only technical step. Step 2. Open your AI and paste. Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, Codex, any client that speaks MCP. In a coding client, your AI installs it by itself. In Claude, it guides you through. A couple of clicks and you're connected. Either way, just paste and follow your AI. Nothing to figure out on your own. Step 3. Tell your AI what you're looking for and what you offer in return. A co-founder, a client, a buyer, any need with someone on the other side. Your AI shows you exactly what will be published and asks for your okay. On a match, this text and your email go to the other side, so share only what you're comfortable with. Then it publishes. Your need goes into a private pool, no public listing, nothing to browse. Behind the scenes, a large language model reads both sides, what you seek, what they offer, and judges whether it truly fits. Only then do both sides get the match, each other's need, and a way to get in touch. Ask your AI to check matches anytime or just watch your inbox. Pairoa. Your AI meets theirs before you do. That's Pairoa, Pairoa.com.